But
Did I
never
say?
mentioned
Yeah, living room. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Jensen. I'm 31 years old this year. I'm a customer success manager in a tech company.
My name is Trisha, 31 this year as well. I'm doing retail marketing in the bedding industry.
So this is a 5-room BTO in the Tampines North estate. We shifted in around end November last year, 2022. I think in terms of like which units to choose, so like there were few units to choose. Eliminated like those that were facing the highway, like low levels. Working with agent was actually quite smooth. I think previously when we were finding IDs, we didn't really know what theme we wanted. So we just had like colour theme.
We were going for like neutral colours like grey, beige, woody kind of colour.
So when we showed her pictures, she told us that actually we like Japandi.
When you enter the door, we can actually see our living room. On the left side, we have our bomb shelter, which is concealed with a cabinet. On the right side, we actually have our kitchen, which is an open dining concept. Down the hallway, we have 2 common rooms and 1 common toilet. At the end of our hallway is the master bedroom and the master toilet.
For me, I wanted to make sure that the TV area, all the cables and sockets are hidden.
For me, I wanted like curves around the house as it looks more unique and not so boring.
My favorite part of the house would be the kitchen, and then in the kitchen as well there's my coffee machine, and then luckily she agreed and allowed me. So with that area is my go-to space to relax and make coffee. And then sometimes I like to sit at the dining table and eat my food and pretend that I'm in the cafe. The living room, we spend a lot of time here in the evening, chilling and watching Netflix. Our picture wall wanted something unique, so we decided to paint it. Specifically wanted like a place for the coffee machine, built-in oven, 2-door fridge.
I like big square tiles, so our both toilets are actually using those 60 by 60 square tiles. Then for the common, we actually use lighter grey.
The master to look more luxe and darker. We chose darker tiles. For her, I think she also wanted like
shower niche, horizontal one. Master bedroom is quite simple, so we only have storage platform and a 2-meter wardrobe. We also painted our wall just above the headboard, cove lighting on the steps as well as on the headboard.
Yeah, surprisingly we have the same taste. I think for me, I'm quite easily influenced. So as long as you show me many pictures of the same thing, I will just start to like it.
Yeah.